here we're at another one of Smartbags' non-woven factories. You can see here we've got all the rolls of non-woven material. We've got a great selection of colours to choose from. There's 30 in all, an extensive range of different shades and colours. And basically what happens to these, well, they're brought down onto the manual cutting machine, as you can see, and it's stretched all the way out here and brought down into all the shapes that are required for specific bag sizes. And here we have an efficient automatic cutting machine. This speeds up the efficiency and the quantity turnover that we can produce for extremely high quantities. A brilliant piece of machinery.